Hi, this is Coach Johnson here for Next Level College Recruiting. I'm here with Christian McDonald, and we're going to discuss this recruiting process. Now, Christian, I know you just began your recruiting process and you have a couple of schools interested in you, schools such as Iowa Central, Franciscan University, and Muskingum University. And I heard that you recently got a letter from Muskingum. Can you tell us what that was like?
Yes, I was very excited because I never thought I would get a letter from a college. So now I got it. I was lost for words, but I'm looking forward to getting some more letters now because it built my confidence up.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm very excited.
Are you going on any camp visits this summer?
Yes.
And what are you looking to get out of the camps?
To see how college is like, how the life is like, and whatever, so I could be prepared for my freshman year in college.
All right, this is Coach Johnson for Next Level College Recruiting. We'll see you next time. Thank you, Christian.
You're welcome.